dito, pupunta tayo doon sa Mapandan. Pupunta tayo doon sa Mapandan.
Pandayan bookshop yun, girl.
So we are in a hurry, guys. We're in a hurry. N-O-P. Ano next? O. O. Onion. O crunch. Pero what, meron dito kaya?
Onion na lang.
Onion. Letter N, noodles. So, and we're back here at sabi ko na guys, dito talaga sa Royal Mall lahat na dito. Noodles. Noodles. Nasaan ang Nissin Cup noodles? Nissin Cup noodles. Guys, ito may spaghetti, noodles rin siya. So, kukuha tayo ng noodles. Oh.
Wow.
Magluluto si Yuri ng maraming lasagna. Saan ang... Ayun! Pero alam nyo guys, masasabi ko dito is... Okay. Nikki, oh. Lucky Me. Gusto mo Lucky Me? Kumuha kayo yung kinakain nyo. Kumuha na kayo. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. Onion. 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 So, maraming salamat Pure Gold at pinayagan mo kaming mag-vlog dito sa Royal Mall. Pure Gold Royal Mall. Letter O, onion. Alam niyo ba guys na ang daming onion dito sa Bayambang because nga onion capital of the Philippines ang Bayambang. Okay? So, ito na ang mga onion. Nasaan? This is onion, right? Ito na. Okay. Yuri, we need a cart. Onion. Letter P.
Letter P, Pocari Sweat, because favorite ko yun.
Pocari Sweat. Letter P, Pocari Sweat. Ayun na. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, O, P, Q. So, Q. Magbigay kayo ng Q. Who?
Queso.
Queso. Queso. Kuweso na queso. Yung kuweso, di ba? Kuweso na queso. Queso. I found it. That's Q. QR. Okay. Yeah. Yuri. Okay. Letter R.
Rafael.
Refrigerator! Tataas tayo ulit. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Ita-raffle natin to. So, refrigerator. Bibili tayo refrigerator. Ay, hello. Ay, gulong-gulo tayo. Hello po. Gulong-gulo tayo. So, guys, pag gusto mo mag-exercise dito sa Royal Mall, eh, kayang-kaya kasi nakikita nyo naman yung hagdanan dito. Tataas tayo dyan ulit dahil bibili tayong refrigerator.
Ang Royal Mall, no?
Ang laki ng
Kasi
Royal.
kala mo parang hindi, pero pagpasok mo maluwag pa.
Oo, napagod tayo, sister. Napagod ka ba?
Okay lang. Yan lang ako.
Yuri, ikwento mo naman, minsan 'di ba, umiikot ka dito before bago mag-COVID. Anong binibilhan mo dito?
Anong binibili mo?
Gulay.
Gulay.
Sa Pure Gold. Eh dito sa mall.
Wala kaya.
Bira.
So refrigerator. Letter L. So kanina sinabi ko sa inyo guys, lahat na bibili dito. Oh, meron pang store dito si Flexi Power, oh. Maraming store. So ngayon bibili tayo ng refrigerator.
Ref.
Nasaan ang ref nyo, sweetheart? So, guys, may refrigerator dito. Okay. Ira-raffle rin natin tong refrigerator na to, ha? Okay. Oh, grabe po ka. No. I choose. No, it's okay.
This one.
This one na, Honduras. Okay? We will get this po ka. Okay? This is, I don't know what size is it, but letter R, refrigerator, and we will have this raffle together with a laptop. Okay. So, this one is a ref. We will get it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So, Hermie, I'm gonna get that. All the things I'm gonna get it. A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, Q, R, S, S, sunglasses. Baba tayo, sunglasses ulit. Sa baba. Magkaka-shades na si Yuri ulit. So, sunglasses, A, B, S, sunod T.
Letter?
T. No, sabi sabi ko sunglasses kasi syempre we have to, we have to, di ba? Here in the Royal Mall. So, here in the Royal Mall na, see, everything is here, guys. Samsung. Oh, Samsung. Pero sinabi ko ng shades eh. Sinabi ko ng shades, pero pwede rin Samsung.
Coracle.
Yeah. Pero shades naman.
Natin si optical shop.
Yeah, si optical shop naman na makita nila na may optical shop din dito sa Bayambang.
So, hindi lang na kailangan
Diba?
pumunta ng ibang mall.
Yes,
para
dito
bumili.
sa Royal Mall, meron yan. Lahat meron. Okay, so here, sunglasses. Hello. Hello po. Hi, Doktora. So, we are here with Doktora. Doktora, please invite them to come here to your optical store.
We are inviting everyone at sa aming optical po na pwede po kayo mag-inquire sa amin magpagwa ng salamin po. Marami po kaming mga discounts. Yes. Salamat po sa inyo. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you po. So please visit this optical store in the Royal Mall, and it is called Vintage Eye Care. Visit Vintage Eye Care, and that letter S. O, mamili ka na, Yuri. Sister, mamili ka na rin. O, okay, ipapasuot natin kay Yuri. O, ito. Ito. So, so S, T, TV.
Kasama na kami sa exercise.
Letter T, mamili tayo ng TV, diba? Ano po pwede? U.
Umbrella, diba?
V. Malapit na tayo, guys. At mapaprove natin na totoo ang sinasabi ni Sir Hermie na lahat meron dito sa Royal Mall. So, letter T, TV. Alam nyo naman, guys, babalik tayo doon ulit dahil nga, appliances. Letter T. We are back. We are back here. And we are so masaya here. Bibili tayo ng TV. Okay. We will buy our TV. May laptop din pala dito, guys. So, Poka. T. So, grabe. Ito, guys. We will buy this Sharp Aquos at ito ang TV. Okay? So, Sir Hermie, this one. Okay. V. Ayu. Umbrella. Saan yung may umbrella? We are here. Please invite them to visit your store, ma'am. Here. Invite them.
Yeah, thank you. I really thank you, and I appreciate Madam Mayor invited us to look and promote our products.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Please invite them to come to your store.
You, Madam.
Okay. Guys, please visit second floor at Sasa's One Stop Shop
Yeah, thank
here in the
you.
second floor of the Royal Mall Bayambang.
Thank
And
you,
maraming
Madam.
salamat. We will get this, tatlo po.
Tatlo umbrella.
Okay.
Okay, Madam.
We'll get 3. V. Vase. Okay, thank you po. Vase. Okay, we are here in the furniture store. May furniture pa dito. Hi! Do you have a vase? So here, we are here in the furniture store in the Royal Mall Bayambang, and we are looking for a vase. Saan? Okay na yung vase na yan. Nasaan ang vase?
Nakalagay doon, ma'am, sa dulo po.
Nandun siya, nakadisplay siya po. Kawalang vase. Mag-isip pa kayo, Nikki. Letter V.
Pahinga muna tayo dito, ma'am. V.
Okay. Ate, pwede umupo. Okay. So guys, pag napagod kayo kakashopping dito sa Royal Mall, pwede kayo umupo dito sa appliance furniture shop. Ate, please invite them.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, it's based naman, babe.
Charger.
Hello po, welcome po sa Magic Home Furniture. Punta po kayo dito ma'am sa Magic Appliance Bayambang.
Yay!
Ito po ang Magic Home Furniture. Lahat po, sala set, kumpleto po aparador, mga kungko namin, kumpleto dining.
Wow!
Po kayo dito.
Pasyal kayo dito, guys. At dito lang. Totoo nga ang sinasabi ni Sir Hermie, complete na complete dito. Now, ate, tulungan mo kami. Mag-isip ka ng bagay na letter V na meron sa Bayambang.
Ay, na, babe.
V as in va. Va. Bababom.
Sa pandaya ulit yung may vase. Pero dito.
Wala. Vase ba yun? Container yun eh. Jar yun.
Ganun wala.
Wala eh. Diba, anyway, dumaan lang kami dito at para mag-hello at thank you so much at pinaupo nyo kami dito. Letter V, vase. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, Q, R, S, T, U, V. W, water. Water. Watch. V.
Buy slipper for you.
Oh, I will. Thank you.
Only my slipper you.
Sige po. Ay, oh, sige, ang dami. I need slippers. Later. Opo. We will get. Thank you po. Thank you. Letter V. You have a vase? Vase. Here, oh, vase. Vase. We found it. There's a vase complete with the balloon. Oh, you give it. We're gonna get this vase. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Oh, Yuri, gusto mo to? Gift ko sa'yo yan. V. V, vase. So we found a vase.
We'll buy that one.
Water. We'll get the vase. Ano yun? Vase. We'll get the vase. Ay, sure. So, W.
Water.
Water. Watercolor.
X-ray. Char.
The watercolor. Yuri, look. Letter X, xylophone. May xylophone dito. Watercolor. Yeah, no, we have a... Thank you, At. So, this is for Antonio. May toys rin ba dito?
Toys, ma?
Oo. Yeah, I will get for Tonyo kasi I promised him. Kasi he said, I want toys, Mama. Okay. Poka, help me get toys for Tonyo. Yeah. Ano ka? Bola. No, gusto niya yung ginaganon-ganon. Ito, gusto niya to. Okay. Gusto niya lang maraming pera. So, guys, ito na. 'Di ba? So, sabi nga nila, mukha akong pera. So, ito na. We're gonna get the money.
Ano yung hinahanap mo sa letter X?
Xylophone.
Xylophone ba?
Nakakaloka dito, guys! May letter S. Pwede na rin xylophone yan. Yun na rin yun. Parang xylophone. Nakakaloka. So, kahit hindi to xylophone, friends naman sila or cousins. So, ito na yon. Yuri, matuto ka na.
Liar po.
Liar siya.
Hindi, yung liar, ganun eh.
Ha? Okay, kumuha ka. So, merong ganun. Wala tayong xylophone. Ito na ang the most. Pero gusto nyo x-ray, hindi tayo makakuha ng x-ray dito dahil hindi pa po ito yung ospital. So, ito na. Ate, nasan yung pukpok nito?
Ito, ma.
Okay. Oh. See? Ano? Liar to po ka. Pero, wala tayong magagawa. Ito na yung the most. Okay. Oh. Oh, ikaw naman. Meron ka? Gusto mo to, Yuri? Poka, gusto ka to?
Huwag mo masquerade tayo.
Oh! Uy, ang ganda nito. Kailangan mo ipin. Kailangan mo pinturan to eh. No? I think I want to buy for Antonio. He will like this. Pero he might... This one. Ito. For the eyes lang. Okay, he likes this. So, I will get this. Ano pa? V, W. Oh, guys, meron pang mga pang-exercise dito. W, X, Y. Malapit na tayo matapos, guys. Y.
Yo-yo.
Yo-yo.
May yo-yo po kayo?
Wow! Uy, guys, kung gusto niyo talaga maging princess, I will get this. I'll wear it. And then, Nikki, kayo ni Yuri, oh. Yuri, oh. See?
Ma'am, wonder, master teachers ng basis namin ito.
Oh, sure. Nikki, come here po. Dali. Yuri, kunin mo yung merong ano kay Tonyo. Hello po.
Subscriber.
Ay, thank you po.
Tsaka sinishare ko po yung mga vlogs niyo, mga.
Thank you po so much.
Kinikilig ako, whole body friend. Kinikilig ako dun sa last vlog niyo with Sir.
Thank Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, mabuhay.
Okay na.
Ay, wear tayo lahat.
Oh my God, so you already did, Nika?
Ayun. You wear your crown naman.
Wear your crown.
You wear your crown. Z. May zago pa ba dito? Thank you so much for having us. Letter Y. Y. Yo-yo. May toys pa dito, Sir Hermie? May toys?
May mga toys kayo, ma'am? Mga toys.
May yo-yo?
Yarn po, yarn.
Yarn. Sige, yarn. So, may yarn dito.
Actually, may mga pang-baking.
May, oo nga eh. Guys, alam nyo, napaka-kompleto talaga dito sa Royal Mall. May pang-baking, may crown, merong xylophone. Nakakaloka talaga dito sa Royal Mall. So, andito guys, so may mga pang-baking dito sa Pandayan guys, here oh.
Ma'am, why po?
Oh, we have Y. Yarn, we have it. Letter Z po ka. Zebra. Zebra. Zip. Block. Zipper. Ziplock. Ziplock. Ang cute. Oh. Huh? They're so cute here. Anyways, I really had fun. Zipper po ka. Oh. Yeah, we have a zipper, letter Z. And oh my gosh, we did it! Oh. We forgot to get W. And now we are going back and we are gonna get washing machine. May washing machine ba dito sa Royal Mall? Titingnan natin. Washing machine. Washing machine or may watch na sinasabi si ate kanina, but washing machine. We will get the washing machine. We're back. Do you have washing machine? Oh, I mean, we are getting washing machine. Okay. So, washing machine po ka. Which one? Okay, I'm gonna get this Fuji Denso, this one. So, washing machine, W. Ito na. Ito talaga, W. At raffle din natin to. So, washing machine, W. So, let's go. Guys, alam niyo ba na dito sa Royal Mall, kung kailangan yun magpadala ng mga, alam niyo na, para sa pamilya niyo, merong Western Union dito. So, napakadali. At kung kailangan niyo magbayad ng bills at kung ano-ano, pupunta tayo dun sa Western Union at nandito yon. Tayo Western Union. At mamaya, medyo gutom kami, magmemerenda kami. At alam niyo naman, everybody's favorite Jollibee is here in the Royal Mall. So, pupunta tayo doon, guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa baba ng Royal Mall at dito makikita natin ang Western Union. So, dito naman sa Western Union, kung kailangan nyo magpadala at magbayad ng mga bills, nandito tayo sa Western Union. So, hello! Come here. So, ate, please invite them to visit Western Union here in the... What floor is this? The ground floor here in the Royal Mall, just beside 7-Eleven. So, ate, invite them.
Hello, please have to with us here in Western Union.
Thank you! So guys, kung kailangan nyo magbayad ng bills, mga cable, electricity, pwede ba electricity dito? Oh, at magpadala ng mga pera sa inyong mga loved ones, nandito ang Western Union dito sa Royal Mall, Bayambang. So guys, ngayon medyo nagugutom kami at meron din ditong Cebuana Luli dito. Kung kailangan nyo hindi ko alam ano ng alahas, nandito na sila sa Cebuana Luli. Hi! Yeah, it's okay. Hello guys! So guys, as you can see, meron din 7-Eleven dito sa Royal Mall, Bayambang. At medyo nagugutom na kami ni Nikki. Pupunta kami ng Jollibee. Okay, tatakbo tayo. Hi! Okay, guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Jollibee Royal Mall dahil medyo nagugutom na kami at order kami dito at kailangan i-practice ng social distancing. Favorite namin ni Cesar ang Jollibee, okay? Favorite namin kumain ng Chicken Joy and of course ng Jolly Hotdog. Ilan kayo? Kasama mo na sila, Sir Hermie. 25? Hi! Kaya, can I order please 25 Jolly Hotdog? Jolly Hotdog. Sweetheart. Saka 25 na tuna pie.
25 na tuna.
Oo. Tapos, isang bucket ng Chicken Joy.
8 pieces po.
Dalawang bucket.
8 pieces po.
Yeah, and then this
Jolly hotdog is small order.
20.
Yes, ma'am, small order po.
Yeah, solo. Oh, no, make it a meal na lang. It's fine. Meal.
Yun na lang.
Yeah.
Drinks, ma'am.
Yeah. And then, what else? Ice cream you want? It's okay. That's it.
Ice cream on yung drink.
No, Coke.
Coke na lang. Large na natin, ma'am.
Yeah.
Then, tuna kay 25 po.
So, we love it here in Jollibee Royal Mall. So, guys, we visited here at Jollibee. Pag gusto nyong kumain at mag-break, pumunta kayo dito sa Royal Mall, Jollibee, of course. Okay. I'm gonna buy for Tonyo toy pa. What else can I buy?
Ito gusto niyo yung mga ganito.
Saan?
Mga dinosaurs.
Yeah nga, what?
Mga ganyan gusto niyo.
Hindi, pero ayoko kasi yung na siya yung toxic. Ano pa po meron?
Pass.
Hanapan mo si Tonyo Puzzle. Tsaka si Gap. Minecraft. Ito. Kay Gap. Kay Tonyo. Jackstone! This is my favorite, guys. Alam niyo ba, naglalaro kayo ng Jackstone? Alam mo, very, very magaling ako dyan doon. May mga exhibition styles pa ako around the world, the cave. Maglalaro tayo ng Jackstone po. I want to play. Okay, guys, Jackstone. So, the 3 kids, you have to get their toys. Or 4.
Separate na yun. Nasa
No, I mean, let's get it here. They don't have, I think. Let's get here.
O ba't 200 kasi?
No, it's for...
Hindi ma'am, I mean, may mga stock.
They didn't get it yet eh. So let's just get it for them. Diba? Oh, here. 2, 3. Oh, for the kids po ka. Here. What is this one? What is this?
That's part of pencil box.
Pencil box. So, here pa, for the kids po ka. 4 sila, no? So, that's enough na. Okay. Guys, if you want bags for your kids, ayun. So anyway, okay. Nikki, come here na. Uy, there's hula hoops. I want hula hoops.
Brush for the math.
For the kids po ka, the hula hoops. I'll get for Tonyo also. 1. Okay, we're done. Okay, we did it. Okay. So guys, we did it guys, finally! Woo! So, natapos natin ang ating challenge today na mag-shopping dito sa Royal Mall from letter A to letter Z at kompleto lahat yan. Katulad nga ng sabi ni Sir Hermie, lahat matatagpuan dito sa Royal Mall, Bayambang. At ang love life, we will see if mahanap ang mga tao like this one and this one, if there's a love life or si Poca. So guys, thank you guys so much for joining us today in this vlog, and I hope you guys had fun. And of course, just be happy and just visit the Royal Mall here in Bayambang. So, Inaro ka, maraming salamat! Yay! Yeah! We did it! Guys, yung nakuha natin na laptop kanina at ref at may isa pa, ipaparaffle natin dito sa, at TV ay ipaparaffle natin dito sa Niña Jose-Quiambao Facebook page at abangan ninyo yon. Thank you!